Okay, what is going on, everyone? I would say I'm doing another live video, but I think we know that by now. Um, so today is Tuesday, November 18th. Hopefully everyone's passing No Nut November. I'm just kidding. I'm going away. Just go into some market analysis. One thing, I don't know what is going on with my Forex chart for news. And I'm low-key scared to look this up because I don't want my computer to get hacked. Internal error. Cloud. Salt Lake City error. There's been an internal server error on Clover. Performance and security Clover. I never blocked them. I don't know, maybe just the servers are down. Going into the morning. Let's go on the 4-hour chart first. We've just been selling off pretty heavy. And respecting these bearish gaps. Respected this bearish gap here. Swept a high inside of a key level, displacement through it. Now we fill this 4-hour gap, continue lower. Now we're just continuing lower towards these lows. If we go on the 1-hour chart, same thing. London sessions respected this gap. We displaced through this gap. Now I'm expecting these lows and then maybe even like these lows over here. So what that would look like coming into market open. Good lord. Wow, this does not look good. Honestly, I would love for us to open lower here and just long take out all the LR. That would look pretty good. Your 4-hour candle look like. Yeah, pretty bearish. Not massive though. Yeah, so honestly, I just want to see an open lower. We take out this. And then I think from there, we're probably going to want to rebalance. Maybe take out some of this liquidity and then continue lower. Be something like shabing, 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 shabing. Yo, hold on. Shopping. But if I were to be bullish here, I would still want to see these draws hit. I mean, if we were to be bearish, I guess we'd low-key want to see an open high. Maybe take out all that liquidity. Honestly, I'm fine with either or. It's sort of a mixed bias. We got draws and liquidity on each side. But I would rather be bearish because we're respecting bearish PDRA so well. Yep. I was thinking about my trading because I've been so break even. Two things I'm thinking about if I'm really break even is one, I obviously lose less or win more. So I think I can definitely meet it in the middle. One, I feel like I do a lot of like human error losses just because like over some stupid shit like a 5-minute value gap that I don't see, or I'm targeting an already mitigated 5-minute gap, or just maybe I forget about the 10 a.m. candle. We displaced through a 4-hour bullish gap, and now I'm still trying to take longs against the trend. It'd be like something super stupid like that, but let me see. I almost looked up Diddy on accident. Please don't delete on accident. I need to open up a new channel. Writer friend, no. I'm trying to make a new channel on Discord so I can put this in. Put model. Maybe I'll look at these notes. How to increase win rate. This is Ronan's video. Trades that lack significant high time frame significance or liquidity. So I think that's like internal. Usually internal to external to internal. When a high resistance stop loss, you want a stop on it. He really trades off nothing but stop hunts, minimal targets. This is why some trades might lose. No high time frame targets. Pattern trader's favorite. Nearly always against high time frame DOL. Bare minimum IVG, commonly known with McDonald's. Yeah, and I'm such a pattern trader, bro. Yeah, I know what a stop line is. Yeah, so this right here is just making sure we have an external drawn liquidity. 2 or 9, missing it between the setups. And this is my model. Okay, what I was saying was, I do feel like I miss a lot of good setups, but honestly, everyone's been trading really discretional, and it's not been a part of my model. But I guess if the draw liquidity is clear, let that shit rip. What did he say?
And I don't know what Pat took, so you'd have to ask him. I can't like explain to you like his trick. Yeah, so in terms of high resistance liquidity and low resistance liquidity, it's not just looking about the internal liquidity pools. You have to look at the external. So, for example, we still had that you have, the right idea for. You're just scared of taking it, just because little things. There's always going to be something that's against your. There's always going to be something that's against against you in the trade, especially with IZE concepts. There's like, oh, but we're inside this breaker block, but then there's also a fair value up here to the left, and it's like, just have a checklist, come into the day with a plan, and follow that plan, and always be also like asking yourself like every 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, like, all right, what's my bias now? What do I want to see happen? Always be giving yourself like if then statements, and then once you actually see what you've been planning on seeing happen, just take the trade. Yo, it's good, bro. Yeah, you're overall, like drawn liquidity and daily bias looks really good. You're just struggling with not taking any setup.
Okay, market just open. Open high, relative equal lows. Right here. I can't move. I am. Give me the dough. Trying to become discretionary, always like you just start messing stuff up. I don't know. Most my L's. We're gonna take this higher there. Let's work. Supporters, so we don't need to take it. We open higher. Just still respect this 5-minute gap. Some displacement here. I look like this. No news, no news, no. But I run all those liquidity inside this gap. We didn't take this high here, but it's okay supported. No news, no news, no. But then am I just gonna rip a million trades? Oh, here we go. Unemployment claims that too. There's that inversion. Not the best displacement I've seen. But not high enough stop loss. Wait. We'll need to buy one back. No news. No news. Alright, we're rejecting this area here. All these highs have a 5-minute. We got an inversion to the downside. I'll move this little here. Sorry, these lower lows. No news, no news, no. Bro, that's why I don't like judging my risk like that. Instant trading, one-click trading. Yes. That's toast. That's toast. Bro, I'm not ready for that phase again. What the heck? Will we hold this nice and good? FEG. If we want to go over our target over here. Yeah, that's right. Shawty, I don't know. High resistance stop loss is the question. Supported here, right here. I don't know. I need to buy like one of these contracts though, cause why am I so deep? That risk is still way too much. Alright, hopefully this flushes. We respected this gap. The drawn liquidity lower was. Wait, why does that look so sus? Honestly, the more I look at this, the more it looks like this drawn liquidity sucks. We have lunar high. I like this. I like this here though. And then external draws, yeah. I'm not gonna go break even here. Let's look at just if that'd be like a fear break even. Wouldn't even really make that much sense. I'm surprised I didn't get stop raped yet. Bro, I gotta learn how to like properly manage my risk. Cause brother siree. I'm still holding this area. $9.30 here. We're getting some motion to the downside. There was no. Try to get a feel on this. There was no SMT, so I didn't have to utilize the whole wick. I guess this low key would just be like a break even out of the air, but it wouldn't really make sense for us to just reverse here and go all the way to my break even without stopping me out. Bang. So there goes TP. That was really quick. Into market open. We still have those external draws, external targets here. The only thing about this that's kind of ass is that we've been literally mitigating this gap since market open. Or like messing with it. I don't know how to say it. Still keep my there's my like no confidence coming in. This could have been a bad trade. Yeah, I don't because this is delivering from already mitigated gap. Really nice inversion though with that draw on liquidity. Just my whole thought process, I didn't think we need a return to these highs here because they're already sponsored. We'll see what we do. I wonder if we flush, if we pull back into something or what. Or what. I do have class at 8:30, so I won't be on here till 9, I think it was. No. I have class at 9. I'll be off at 8:30, and I'll just look at my phone. I'm definitely done for the day, but we'll see. We'll watch this out. See if anything good looking forms. What's cooking good looking? I'll journal this right quick. Okay, we're really reacting off that place we took profit. I'll see what it looks like in a second. Good lord. Yeah, so we opened higher, took out this accumulation zone, and saw this 5-minute gap, respected it, and got an inversion. So it looks so ugly. we came up, we respected this 3 minute gap. No inversion though. Maybe there's a 30-second. Yeah, there actually was a 30-second. Not that good of displacement though. I'm gonna pause this. Let me get this right. Oh, excuse me. We finally hit that second drawn liquidity. From here, now's I guess see if we want to actually just have a sell-off day and just continue lower, or do we want to rebalance? Kind of rebalance this range, maybe target these highs now because they're no longer sponsored, because we tapped this new key level. Yeah, and we had this nice accumulation above. Unemployment 3, unemployment claims. What is going on? So our forex factors back up. Yeah, we'll see what we want to do. We don't really have any gaps that we can rebalance into. We'll see what 10 a.m. does. Okay, update now. We got this 5-minute bearish gap above. We now displaced through these lows on both pairs. So I think it's good to say that we're gonna keep selling off lower. 10 a.m. just open. Shoot, I guess we're just dumping. I say this could be a solid continuation play, but I think we're just gonna keep continuing lower to hit that prominent key level. We'll see if market lets anyone get in on a continuation lower. Okay, so we're getting a bit of a continuation here. We got a stop punt, and we're tapping this discounted 5-minute. And I know it's a 15-minute. You're figuring out bad, man. And that 15-minute gap, and the external drawn liquidity is still intact. But I'm going to class, so I'll catch y'all later.